Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the server version and getting your Aternos instance online. You need at least one compatible mod or plugin for voice. Once the server runs, allocate sufficient RAM and note the port and IP Aternos provides. Then, install the voice integration mod or prepare a separate Mumble/Teams speak bridge that your server can reach. Make sure your local machine has the corresponding client installed so you can test a connection immediately. Once you upload the voice plugin to Aternos, you edit its config file to point at the bridge or to enable built-in features. Open the file editor and change port, password, and user limits. After saving, restart the server to load the plugin. If you use an external Mumble or TeamSpeak bridge, make sure its host and port are reachable and entered correctly in the plugin config. Then check logs for successful connection messages and note any errors to fix next. Now you test by joining with your client. Connect to Aternos game server, then to the voice bridge or use the in-game voice command. If you hear nothing, first confirm firewall and port forwarding issues on the bridge host, then verify plugin logs for authentication or codec mismatches. Once done, try restarting both the game server and voice service, recheck the config values, and reproduce the error while watching logs. The key tip: always read the exact log message. It tells you what to change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.